Hi, guys, hope you all are doing well. Today we are here to discuss about unit operation and unit process, but before that we need to know what is chemical engineering and what is the role of a chemical engineer. The simplest definition of chemical engineering is a chemical engineering who involves the production and manufacturing of products through chemical processes. This includes designing equipment, systems, and processes for refining raw materials and for mixing, compounding, and processing chemicals. Chemical engineers translate processes developed in the lab into practical applications for the commercial production of products, and then work to maintain and improve those processes. They rely on the main foundations of engineering: math, physics, and chemistry. Biology also plays an increasingly important role. The role of chemical engineers to apply the principles of chemistry, biology, physics, and math to solve problems that involve the use of fuel, drugs, food, and many other products. So this is the short discussion about what is chemical engineering and role of chemical engineer. Now move on our main topic, which is what is difference between unit operation and unit process. As we know, chemical engineering is a vast subject, and if you are an engineering student, you will encounter various concepts. There are some terms that are considered basic, and one should know them at least. The first thing that will encounter you if you start studying chemical engineering is what is unit operation and unit process. Unit operation is a basic step in a process that involves physical change or chemical transformation during the process, like polymerization, separation, evaporation, crystallization, filtration, isomerization, and other reactions. And unit process is a process in which chemical changes take place to the material present in the reaction and result in the chemical reaction is known as the unit process. This basically consists of a reaction between two or more chemical which results in another chemical and can also be defined as a unit process. Sulfonation, nitration, oxidation, halogenation, and many more. So this is the definition of unit operation and process. Now we're going to understand it by some examples. The example of unit operation is distillation of acetone and water. In the distillation process, acetone is separated, and that is due to boiling point difference or volatility of the components. This is also a physical change and no chemical reaction is carried out. Hence, distillation is a unit operation. So now we know that what is unit operation. So we move on. Classification of unit operation. There are four classifications of unit operation. The very first one is material handling. Transportation. This includes pumping, compression, and fluidization. Second one is mechanical unit operations, and size reduction, size enlargement, mixing, agitation, blending are under this category. Third one is mass transfer operations, and this include the operation like evaporation, distillation, absorption, extraction, and leaching. And the last one is heat transfer operations. Conduction, convection, and radiation comes under this category. The example of unit process is production of hydrogen. In this process, hydrogen is produced using very popular method, i.e. steam methane reforming reaction. In this method, methane reacts with steam at a pressure under 3 to 25 bars pressure in the presence of a nickel catalyst at about 750 to produce hydrogen. So this is it for today. If any question in your mind related to this topic, ask in comment box. Thanks for paying attention. Thank you.